Hey, this is Liran Aliav, and today we're going to be talking about the estate tax for a married couple. Now, in a previous video, I said that you have $11.5 million of exemption as of today, which is 11.49, but it's $11.5 million, 2019, of federal estate tax exemption. Here in California, there isn't any, so you don't have to worry, but for federal, there is. So if you have less than $11.5 million, you're good. If you have over $11.5 million, it's 40% of every dollar over $11.5 million. Right? So if you're married, what happens? How much do you have? Well, you have 11.5 for you, for one person, and 11.5 for your spouse. So you have a total of $23 million you could have without a problem. Anything over the $23 million, it's going to be taxed at 40%. One thing you should know, there's a law out there that allows one spouse to give the $11.5 million that he or she has to another spouse. So if I pass away with $11.5 million, I have my spouse, I give him to my spouse, now she will have $23 million of exemption to use when she passes away, right? It's called portability, and it's a really good tool, but this is the general concept of how it's done for married individuals for the estate tax. Now, just to piggyback off of this, less than a decade ago, this exemption was $1 million per person. So a lot of people had to engage in something called advanced estate planning. Now that amount of people is much less, although it is still a high amount of individuals that need to engage in this. This law that brings it all the way up to $11.5 million plus inflation, whatever it is, will end in 2025 when the tax law sunsets back to the original law, and then it'll be at $5 million again, unless, again, Congress changes it. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, your next step is to sign up for the webinar by clicking the link above. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and comment below. Be happy to address them. See you soon.